Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitles automatically to your videos using vid.io. So I'm going to drag and drop a video here into my timeline, and it's a short video about 2 minutes long and involves a lot of talking. So this is why I feel like adding subtitles will benefit this video greatly because it helps increase the accessibility and viewer retention of your YouTube videos. So to get started, once it's in my timeline, I'm going to click here on the subtitles button here at the left hand side. And I'm going to go ahead and click on auto subtitle in English. Give it a few seconds or a minute to generate subtitles for each video. I did have to trim it down a little bit because it was just a bit over the limit for how much I could generate subtitles for. But as you can see, it's pretty much done. Everything has finished, and you can see the subtitles here above my video in the timeline. So let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. Going to turn the volume down a little bit. So that's what the subtitles look like. They're automatically stylized and animated. So this is a really great feature if you're looking to create lots of shorts in a short amount of time. Shorts or reels for Facebook and YouTube and Instagram. So you can also edit the subtitles manually by clicking on them in the timeline. As you can see, you can double check, make sure everything is correct. In this case, this isn't exactly right because this was my mic check, not my check. But overall, there is a pretty high accuracy with the transcriptions. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.